Should you renovate everything at once? How to know what to prioritize? One of the biggest questions homeowners ask me is, should we just do everything all at once? And honestly, I understand why people ask that. When you walk through your home and everything feels unfinished, disconnected, outdated, or no longer reflective of your lifestyle, it's very tempting to want to fix all of it immediately. But here's the truth. Doing everything at once is not always the smartest decision. And doing things randomly over time without a clear plan is even worse. At Walden Interiors, our goal is not just to make homes beautiful, make your home beautiful. Our mission is to help homeowners create intentional, cohesive spaces that improve the way you live every day, while helping you avoid overwhelm, wasted money, costly mistakes. And the key to that starts with prioritization. The real problem is not the home. Most people think their biggest problem is outdated furnishes or outdated finishes, old furniture, layout, lack of storage. But in reality, the biggest problem is usually lack of clarity. Because once homeowners start making disconnected decisions room by room, they often end up creating even more frustration. They renovate a kitchen, but now the floors do not work with the adjacent rooms. They buy a sofa, but it does not relate to the future vision for the space. They redo a bathroom, only to realize later that they should have addressed plumbing or layout differently because another renovation phase was coming. This is why planning matters so much. Not because you have to do everything immediately, because you need to understand how all the pieces eventually connect together. Should you do everything at once? The answer is sometimes yes, and sometimes absolutely not. There are really three things we look at first. Your lifestyle. How are you actually living in the home today? And what's causing you to stress daily? What spaces are not functioning, or what spaces are you not using? What rooms are impacting the quality of your life the most? Because often the priority is not the room that looks the worst. It's the room creating the most friction in your everyday life. Your budget and investment strategy, a good designer is going to help you understand where to invest now, where to phase things for later, what's going to create the biggest impact, what should be grouped together for efficiency. Sometimes doing everything at once makes financial sense because trades are already there. The materials can be coordinated. Timelines can be streamlined. Disruptions happen once instead of again and again and again. But sometimes phasing is smarter because it allows you to invest intentionally, avoid rushed decisions, giving you time, and create a long-term master plan, which prioritize what matters most first. With the overall vision, this is the part most people skip. Even if you're renovating over several years, you still need the full vision from the beginning. At Walden Interiors, we always think macro before micro. We want to understand where's the home, where your home is ultimately going, how the spaces connect, how you want the home to feel, and how your lifestyle is evolving. Because when you have the vision first, every phase becomes strategic instead of reactive. How to know what to prioritize. Okay. Here is how we typically help clients prioritize. Number one, function. Function first. Ask yourself, what is actively making life harder? Poor kitchen flow? Lack of storage? Bad lighting? No usable layout? Lack of organization? The spaces that create your daily stress? Beautiful homes start with functioning beautifully. So we focus on spaces that affect your life the most, the high impact spaces. And these are usually the kitchen, the family room, the primary bedroom, the primary bathroom, main living spaces. These are the emotional center of your home. And improving these spaces often changes how the entire home feels. Some decisions affect everything else, and these are foundational decisions. Things like flooring, architectural details, lighting plans, the cabinetry, paint palette and the direction, furniture scale. These foundational elements create cohesion throughout the home. And we want to avoid expensive rework. Critical. If you know future renovations are coming, plan ahead now. For example, we're doing the kitchen, but we know we're going to do a bath above it. We want to make sure that we have pipes in the wall when we're doing the kitchen so we don't have to open up the kitchen when we're done. And it allows us to make good decisions for the bathroom later. Homeowners waste money by completing work, by doing work twice. And this is all about strategy. The Walden Interiors approach, well, we believe your home should reflect your lifestyle, reflect who you are, and feel cohesive from room to room. And that doesn't mean everything has to happen overnight. What it means is that every decision should be intentional. And our process is really about creating clarity. And we do that with our master vision. We help clients define their master vision and prioritize. We allocate the investment and we avoid overwhelm by helping you make confident decisions through a roadmap that allows the home to evolve beautifully over time. Because the reality is, most homeowners are not lacking taste. They're lacking a plan. And without a plan, even beautiful individual decisions can still create a disconnected home. Your home doesn't need to be finished immediately to feel elevated, intentional, beautiful, and personal. But it does need direction. And the goal is not perfection overnight. The goal is creating a home that evolves thoughtfully and supports your life at every stage. And honestly, sometimes the smartest thing that you can do is slow down long enough to create the right plan before spending another dollar. Because when you prioritize correctly, you reduce your stress, you avoid regrets, you spend more intentionally, and then you create a home that actually feels cohesive in the long run. If you're trying to figure out where to start, what to prioritize, whether to renovate all at once, or how to create a cohesive long-term plan for your home, that is exactly what we help our clients do at Walden Interiors. You can schedule an initial design consultation through the link below, and we can help you create a roadmap that makes sense for your home, your lifestyle, and your goals. If you find this video was helpful, make sure you subscribe because we are sharing more insights about how to create intentional, beautiful homes without the overwhelm. Check out our next video here.